This video is sponsored by TP-Link, and this is a product showcase video of the TP-Link Tapo wireless security camera, the C420S2. Comes in a 2-pack, MSRP $199. We've got links in the description if you're interested in picking these up. But these cameras are a great alternative to the Eufy 2K security camera. So, very popular. These guys right here, great price, a lot of great features here. So we've got 180 days of battery life. It's wireless, works with your existing wireless home network, 1-year warranty. It has two-way audio. So it's got a microphone and a speaker built in so you can hear what's going on the other side of the camera and you can talk to them. It's got an alarm and it's got built-in home storage with the base station, which one is nice, compact, small, plugs directly into your local network. And it has a slot where you can put in SD card storage up to 256 gigabytes, which is pretty tremendous because you have built-in storage with the Eufy one that you can't replace and is only a couple of gigabytes. So definitely a concern there. Also some other nice things that make this very competitive and different than the Eufy 2K security camera, which I actually have here, is it has a replaceable battery, which is a big win for me because when you take a look at this, the battery life, one, isn't always what it's advertised, but two, batteries degrade over time. It's just part of life, no matter how well you maintain them. So once the battery goes out in this, you're stuck. It's no good anymore. Versus the Tapo security camera, very easy. You just pop off the back, take out the battery. So you're good to go. You're covered that way. Really nice. So you've got way more storage and you've got way more longevity whenever it comes to the ability to keep these things going basically indefinitely. They're not obsolete 2 years later because the battery decided to go kaput inside of it. So that's a nice thing. It has everything in the box you need to install it. You get both cameras. Plus, you have night vision, you have black and white night vision, you have colored night vision, and you've got recording features from 2K, which is really nice, 1440p Quad HD+. That's the same as you get on flagship level smartphone screens, so good quality. And then if you want to save some room on your storage, you can go to the 720p option, which is still high definition. It's just not 2K. So you get some versatility there as well. And the app works really, really well. And one other nice thing about the app that you have for control, it's not just for the security cameras, which is different than the Eufy app. I know because I use it all the time. The Eufy app, all you get is access to your security stuff. Whenever it comes to this, you get access to your cameras, your vacuum, your smart home accessories, and your cameras. So it's one app for all of your TP-Link Tapo products, which is really nice. As you can see, the camera here is nice and it's tight. You can adjust it on the back side here, which is what allows you to position it however you want it. And then you lock it back into place. Pretty darn easy. There we go. So lock back into place, nice low profile, and looks pretty fancy. Plus, people can tell that you mean business. You've got a security camera on your front door wherever you want to install it. Other nice thing is it's not going to go anywhere. It's not like the ones that have the magnetic base. You just pop it right off. 3 security screws installing this mount into the wall, and then it's anchored on there pretty well. So somebody can't just come up and run off with your camera without doing some unscrewing. Another nice thing is you've got Tapo Care, which is a free trial. So you can do 30 days, and this is unlimited cloud storage. You don't have to worry about having an SD card. Try it for free for 30 days. They also have, you can start a plan. And this right here, you can pay for 1 device, 2 devices, 3 devices, or 10, and you have the different subscription service costs based off of how many cameras, or you can pay the yearly price, and it goes up more, but you're covered for the whole year. You get some savings there, and you get that unlimited cloud storage, so pretty nice. You can also set the video quality, so there's 2 different options. Well, actually, there's 3. You can do 2K, which is Quad HD+, 1440p. That's one option, highest resolution possible. Then you can do data saving. This is big for your SD card because, well, it takes a lot more video quality, a lot more video storage to store 2K versus 720p, right? So you can do that, and then there's auto, which will determine how much based off of your connection, or if you don't have a lot of storage left on your SD card, it'll lower it, and that way you can still get the good quality recording and you don't lose it. And when you're recording, you can have it record the video clips for a maximum of up to 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes, and then the minimum is 20 seconds. So the more clips you have, the longer you have them for, yes, it's going to eat up more space on your SD card. But the nice thing is you can go up to 256 gigabytes on your SD card that goes into the base station. So you can have quite a bit of storage in there to record your clips. So that's a nice thing on here as well. One other neat feature is there's actually a spotlight on here, and I'll turn it on right now. Ta-da! So you can see the spotlight, and you can adjust the intensity of it. So that way, if you want less light or if you want more light, you can see a little bit of a difference there, a little bit brighter, and you can control that on the app. So what this does is allows you to have more brightness at nighttime, especially when you're capturing color video. Really cool and a nice feature they've added on here. In addition to all those great features, it's also compatible and works with Google Assistant and with Amazon Alexa. It doesn't work with Siri as of right now. I'm not sure if that's coming in the future, but it definitely does work with Google Smart Assistant and with Alexa. And last but not least, if size and storage location is a concern, just for comparison purposes, this is the Eufy 2K security camera base, and this is the Tapo security camera base. So there's a big difference here, significantly smaller, takes up a lot less room, and of course you get the SD card storage on here as well, which you don't get with the Eufy. You're stuck with it, it's internal, that's all you get right here, up to 256 gigabytes. So that's really nice. So that's all I've got in this video. If you're interested in picking up one of the TP-Link Tapo wireless security cameras, then you can find them. I've got links in the description. Normal MSRP for the 2-pack is $199, which makes them competitively priced, and is a lot of great features that they offer for these security cameras. Again, easy to set up, great alternative to the Eufy 2K, especially when it comes to price, when it comes to the capabilities, when it comes to additional storage, when it comes to the removable battery, all sorts of those great things. And it's a solid security camera setup. In addition to that, TP-Link has also provided me with an exclusive discount code to save some money if you're interested. The link is down in the description. That's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, then please go to the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.